Can you imagine making a sweet and savory shrimp salad on brioche? Stay tuned, sit back, and watch this video to see just how easy it is for you to make a restaurant-style sandwich at home. Hello, my angels. I'm Angel, Culinary School grad, retired prep cook, and retired line cook. Welcome to my channel and to another video. Let's get started. For the wine pairing for this shrimp salad sandwich, I recommend 2 white wines. The first one is a Chardonnay, and I'll mention the other wine later on in the video. The Chardonnay has flavors of apple, pear, vanilla, spice, and tropical fruit. It's a medium to full-bodied wine. Yeah. A correction for the dice size, cut it to 1/8 of an inch, not 1/4 of an inch. That means cut them very small. Now I know this looks like a lot of chopping, a lot of dicing and cutting. If you have any kind of way to do it easier, like if you have any kind of kitchen tool that allows you to cut things quickly, use it for this. Remember, it's going to be a salad, it's going to be mixed in. So it doesn't matter what it looks like, just as long as it's tiny and small pieces. I'm using brioche buns because I like the taste of it. I like the richness of brioche. But if you prefer another bread, please be inclined to do that. say something like a ciabatta or a regular Italian roll. For the second wine selection, I would go with a Sauvignon Blanc. A Sauvignon Blanc has flavors of grass. They're like vegetal, tropical fruit. It's kind of sweaty. I know that sounds kind of weird. And it's a light to medium body white wine. Take a look at that pretty caramelization on that shrimp. Beautiful. That's due to the sugars in the white wine. You may opt to leave your shrimp whole as it is in the beginning of this video, the picture for this video, but I prefer mine chopped up. I believe you'll get more of a volume when you have it diced just like this. As you begin making your sandwich, remember you can also use it as a snack. You can have some gourmet crackers and place the shrimp salad on top of the crackers. That would be a wonderful thing. And also remember, you can use it as a meal prep. I present the sweet and savory shrimp salad sandwich. Wow, that's a lot of S's. So, how do you like this recipe? If you like it, you know, all you have to do is give me a thumbs up. That's going to be a like. Share on all media platforms. Leave a comment down below. And come back and see what I have next time. Thank you for watching. I'll see you then. Bye. If you're still looking for a restaurant-style sandwich to make at home, please look at one of these two recipes or both of them. As always, please be the blessing to someone, and many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And I will see you next time.